Okay, good afternoon, friends. Today our topic is financial system. Financial system is that which includes all the financial transactions. Here we go for the meaning of financial system. A financial system is an intermediary and facilitates the flow of funds from the areas of surpluses to the areas of deficit. Okay, means that the financial system is transferring the funds to surpluses areas to deficit areas. Okay, surpluses areas means that who having the extra money, and deficit areas means that where required the money or need of money. Okay, transferring of the funds we are showing through the diagram. Okay, here the fund suppliers means that the savers who having the extra money, like the individuals and households. Okay, now they will be transferring their extra savings to the fund seekers means that who need of the money, mainly the business houses, business people and the government. Means that here the savers who having the extra money is transferring the funds who needed the money. Okay, next one is the structure of the financial system. The structure of the financial system is divided into three, which includes financial assets, financial markets and financial intermediaries. Okay, first we go for the financial assets. Financial assets includes equity shares, preference shares, bonds, convertible preference shares, etc. Okay, now these financial assets are issued by the organization for the purpose of raising capital. Okay, for future purpose. Okay, these financial assets are issued by the organization in three terms: short term and medium term and long term. Short term means that whenever the organization wanted to money for the short term purpose, for the purpose of within 1 year, then it will be issued the short term assets. Okay, next one, medium term means that above 1 year. Okay, now if the company wanted to money for medium term means that required above 1 year to 5 years, then it will be issued that medium term assets. Next, long term means that above 5 years. Okay, now it required money for long term purpose, then it will be issued the long term assets. Okay, financial assets again divided into three types: money market instruments, capital market instruments and hybrid instruments. Money market instruments are those instruments which are issued by the organization for the short term purpose, means that within 1 year. Okay, next one is the capital market instruments means that long term assets. Okay, means that if the company wanted to money for the long term purpose, then it will be issuing that the capital market instruments. Next one is the hybrid instruments means that the combination of debt and equity, means that here the organization is providing the possibility to the investor to convert their debt into equity. Okay, now there is possibility to convert their debt instruments into the equity instruments. Okay, next one is second one is the financial markets. Financial market, it is the place where the financial assets and services are traded. Okay, means that buying and selling of the financial assets and the services. Financial markets are divided into four types. First one is the forex market, second one is the capital market, third one is the money market, and fourth one is the credit market. Forex market, it is the market where we can trade the foreign currencies. Okay, next one is the capital market. It is the market where the long term securities are traded. Okay, long term means that above 1 year. Next one is the money market, where here the organizations are issued the short term assets. Okay, or when the organization wanted to money for the short term purpose, then they will be issuing their assets in the money market. Okay, next one is the credit market, especially in this the financial institutions, bank, non-financial institutions are play the main role. Okay, now they will be especially provides the loans to the corporate bodies who will be participated, especially for the productivity companies who will be participated in the economic development. Okay, next, capital market and money market is divided into two types. First one, primary market and the secondary market. Primary market is also called as a new issue market. Here the new companies, they will be issuing their securities at first time to the general public. It is called as a primary market. Okay. Next one is the secondary market. Secondary market, in this market the second hand securities are traded. Okay, second hand securities means that those securities is already traded in the primary market and the same securities again issued in the secondary market. Okay, next third one is the financial intermediaries. Financial intermediaries means that the financial institutions, banks and banks, non-financial banks, okay na, all are who acting the mediator between the savers and corporate bodies. They will be called as a financial intermediaries. Especially these intermediaries are providing the services to the corporate bodies and as well as the saver amma, okay na, savers. Okay na, mainly they will be collecting the funds from the savers and then providing those funds to the needed people and the business people amma, okay na. Here our class is completed.